how can we use an inbuilt app for editing our entire website. As you know, there are many softwares available in which we can create websites. For instance, MailChimp, GoDaddy, SiteGround, and so on. But I feel very comfortable with this website builder because they have app also which we can download and install via Play Store or App Store. The advantage of having an app to edit our website is we can be editing it even via our mobile and we do not navigate to our laptop each and every time for minor corrections. So now we are into the Wix app. It's available as Wix Owner in Play Store and App Store. This is my client's website. I have logged in into her Wix app and this is how it will look. Today I shall explain some basics of this Wix website builder. In the home page, you can see the traffic, search performance, blog posts, invoices, and so on. My client is a medical professional, so her website will look something like this. So these are all the analytics. So Wix also offers an AI assistant. We can ask them any questions, technical questions which we have, and they will respond quite immediately. We have connected her Instagram account so she gets the inbox messages here itself. Now if we see the manage option, we have the option to manage both website as well as mobile app. So this is the biggest advantage of using Wix Owner. Getting paid option is there, wherein we can add links, invoices, proposals, point of sale. We have booking calendar option. You can either use Google Calendar and embed it as a button in your website or app, or you can use these options as well. For sales, they have the order, subscription, payments and receipts. Similarly, if you see the catalog, we can create catalog such as booking services. So these are the services which we have created. And the online programs are also available. And finally the blogs. So it's completely our choice which all options we want, we can embed them in our website. So for the customers and leads, we have all these tasks and reminders, things like that. For marketing, we have these options. Analytics, they have huge list of options and settings are there. Finally, if you see, you have this manage app. So you can, these are like plugins in a WordPress. So you can install these apps as per the niche of your business. If you are running a restaurant business, you can install the restaurant order new app. These are like widgets in the WordPress. You can also track the notifications about the invoices. As you can see, there are multiple benefits that are available to build a website or an app. If you need any help and assistance, you can contact us. We help in website and app development. Our official mail ID is brandsofindia500@gmail.com, or you can simply comment that you are interested in the comment section. If you like this video and if you would like to know more about such information, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.